Businesses face cycles, and the good ones last. They figure out how to beat those cycles, how to stay relevant.
Your hero product today could be your cash constraint tomorrow.
HydroJug faced our first headwinds in 2022.
Okay, I hope this product works. I hope it performs how we think it will.
You always have fires to put out. There's always obstacles. It feels like the world is burning down.
Hayden and I, we've worked together. I was probably 11, he was probably 13, working at my dad's landscaping business.
We grew up in a family that always had side businesses. 2016, fitness is a big niche. It was like the gold rush, right? You could put $1 in and get $6 back.
What product could we do?
Our idea was you'd see people carrying around old milk jugs at the gym. There's a customer consuming this product. Why don't we combine a milk jug and a shaker bottle?
When he first brought it up to me, I was like, yeah, sounds good, and another idea.
And we're like, don't do your own business. It's so much work, and it's 24/7, and he had a vision and a dream.
I'm
and
making my own.
I just thought, this just not.
Was I super excited about water bottles? No, but that's kind of where we saw the opportunity.
I was helping him find manufacturers, and it still was just kind of more of an idea. And then when it became real, it was just like a text, and it was like, hey, how much money do you have?
Came home and said he was thinking about buying these water bottles from China. And
it was like a few thousand, And I remember talking to my dad, and he's like, well, can you do a few hundred? So he was scared too.
We started it in my parents' garage. They had enough space that we could store these 6 pallets and then store fulfillment.
Bunch of stuff happened out here. We started buying used shipping containers. I had 2 or 3 of those out there.
It was the half-gallon jug, and then we came out with the sleeve, and it was like wildfire.
Yeah.
Right? And monthly releases, and growth, and new warehouses, and signing leases, and it got scarier every time, and bigger credit card limits. We thought we were really smart. we thought we knew what we were doing because it was just nothing but growth.
2022, we started to have sales problems. The bottom of that market just falls out, and you have all this inventory.
We were obviously seeing the half-gallon jug dying off.
Those guys were saying hey,
fighting you on getting something cup holder friendly.
Yeah.
And at first you're like, we're just gonna be the best half-gallon jug out there. We argued because you're like, well, you gotta market this, and I'm like, nobody wants this right now.
I remember explicitly saying it's HydroJug. We are the jug company.
That name will pigeonhole you if you let it, and we did.
We were grasping at straws, just trying to give away these jugs. And I remember him saying well, you're in marketing, we have to figure it out. No one's gonna buy it if it's not what they want and need.
It's probably a product problem.
We had to pivot.
We plowed all of the dollars we could into the Traveler, our 40-ounce bottle.
That product came in, sold over a weekend.
In a matter of, I think, an hour, we redefined the half-gallon jug, and then we redefined the 40-ounce tumbler too, with the flip straw. And then it was all right, here we go again. HydroJug went from the jug business for fitness to HydroJug is the drinkware brand for health and wellness.
Right when I got here, I knew we needed to be spending on Amazon ads because there are people looking for our product, but they just didn't know our product existed. Amazon ads was a way for us to get exposure to additional audiences. Each week, our new-to-brand customers make up about 95% of all of our sales on Amazon. We quickly became one of the best sellers.
Amazon ads enables a business to be able to expand their product shelf because of the visibility and the reach you can get.
The people who are buying on Amazon are the people who know that they want to buy a product and they want to buy it right then. I want to make sure that HydroJug is showing up to these individuals who are wanting to buy right then. When I joined, we've doubled daily sales rate by the end of that year, like 30% growth year over year here at 2026. It's been a really crucial tool for our business as we've been growing so rapidly.
If you're growing, your money is all in inventory. You don't even have enough cash to buy all the inventory you need in that growth stage.
It is crazy. We release a lot of stuff, so we have tons of prints that release monthly.
Welcome everyone. We're going to go over summer seasonal dropping in May, kind of a refresher of what product types. All sizes of traveler, all sizes of sport. These are all ceramic lined, which is new for our seasonal drops.
We're about 4 to 6 shoots a month, but we're doing 3 this week alone. So Amazon has another exclusive drop happening later this year.
End of June, that's the time that we can get maximum exposure with Prime Day. We'll be running like product video ads at the top. So anyone who's searching HydroJug, this will be the first cup they see during that time frame. We planned ad strategy behind it. We planned tons of content behind it.
Amazon is one of our biggest sales channels. Joel went to them and was like, hey, we can give you an exclusive print.
You just look at the competitors and the companies that came before us and you're like, how do we make sure that doesn't happen?
Right. So it's like a domino effect, dude. And it's like you fail to innovate, and then your sales soften, and then you're heavy on inventory.
Now with like the business being in such a different spot, the marketing on it actually does work really well to augment what you're already doing naturally.
Yeah.
Shooting our Amazon exclusive, we have this new trendy thing that people are loving right now, denim with patches on it and red and blue, and it's right before 4th of July and summer and rodeos. My relationship with Joel is he needs to make sure our Amazon sales channels are working and functioning, and I make sure they're beautiful.
We have leaned pretty heavily into sponsored brands video. Someone searches water bottle, and then it's everything you're looking for a water bottle that's being called out in 15 seconds. You're gonna be clicking on that ad.
Honestly, our content is on another level for sure. That's one thing we really do pride ourselves in.
Cute.
Like once I get a cup like print down, it just like, oh, we need this and this. It just starts flowing.
That was perfect. Love that. Oh yes, so cute.
You do need a really great product, but you also have to have really great marketing. Marketing comes in and it's what will get it to the masses. It will make it so much more successful, and it'll actually build moats. And that's what we can rely on and count on with Amazon ads. I started seeing our new warehouse being constructed in the middle of these fields and pastures, and it's just this massive concrete structure. That just is like mind-blowing that that's happening. Now we'll have all of our product and inventory under one roof. We'll gain a lot of efficiencies from that. What is the purpose of all this? What I've kind of boiled it down to is family, community, and state, and a responsibility to those things. Those are the types of things that give you a deep enough purpose to go through those hard times and improve as a person.